in order to create a star in Illustrator, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the polygon tool and we're going to create a triangle. First, I'm going to click on the polygon tool, and then I'm going to option click on my page. It says, it gives me the number of sides. It's normally set to like 5. We're going to turn it down to 3. Click OK, and I get a triangle. Next thing I'm going to do, go to my selection tool. I'm going to compress that triangle in and stretch it out like that. Okay. I'm going to pull it over sort of the center of my page. Next, I'm going to go to my rotate tool. Click on the rotate tool, come back over here. I'm going to come down a little below my triangle, and I'm going to center on the bottom of that triangle. I'm going to option click, and I get this rotate function. Okay. I'll notice that the preview shows me what it kind of looks like. I think that's too much in this case, so I'm going to make a wild guess and say that it's going to be 5 degrees. Now, a full rotation is 360 degrees, so you want to use a number that evenly divides into 360, otherwise it won't meet up properly at the end. Okay, preview, copy. Okay, next I want to go to Object, Transform, Transform again. You'll see that the key command is Command D, and that's really much quicker than using the menu in this case. So I'm going to hit Command D, and I just keep hitting Command D as it goes around like that. And since we're talking about 5 degrees, it's going to take a lot of clicks. Okay, so that's, I'm looking at that and I'm thinking that the star doesn't come in enough. So I'm going to take this and delete everything except the original. I'm going to make the original a little skinnier. Go to rotate, option, copy, and you can see that it's more open towards the middle. Gives me a nice big round center like that. If that's still not right, take and select and delete all of those except one. Maybe I want to actually go in closer to the middle, have a smaller middle. Copy. So it's a matter of trial and error to get exactly what it is that you want. And then when you have this all together, you're going to want to group it. Object, group. And now you have your star and you can move it all around. The other way to make a star in Illustrator is actually perhaps a little bit easier. The first thing we're going to do is go to our star tool, which is underneath the rectangle tool. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a star the size that I want to create. I'm going to start in the, actually I'll start in the middle. I'll hold the option key down, click and drag, and that's about how big I want to make this star. I'm going to then delete this one because I'm just using it to set the tool size. I'm going to take my cursor, hold option, and click. It gives me this dialog box, which gives me the outside radius, the inside radius, and the number of points. I'm going to change the number of points to 50, click OK, and I get a star that looks about like that. Okay? So if I want this center to be smaller, there, go to my star tool, option click. I'm going to take this radius, which is now at 54, and make it 40, and get rid of all these additional fractions of a point. Click OK. And so now the center of the star is smaller, and it now looks like that. Delete that. Go to my star tool, option click. Say maybe I want to have this as 40. And now it looks like that. Okay, so that's perhaps a little bit quicker than the other way. Doesn't let you practice your key commands quite so much, but it works.